Hello boys and girls, this is how to play Are You a Number Ranger? First you need to gather your materials. You'll need a whiteboard, marker, eraser, and a partner. Both you and your partner need all of these materials. Pause the video as you collect your materials. Step number 1. Now that you have all your materials ready, you must decide who will be partner A and who will be partner B. Pause the video and figure this out within 10 seconds. Step number 2, partner A will be the first number ranger. This is what it means to be a number ranger. Partner A will think of a number and then write it on their whiteboard. Now, your partner can't see it, so hold it tight to your heart so they can't peek. Step number 3, partner A will say the number in unit form. Here's an example. You would say out loud, my number has 4 10s and 5 1s. Then, step number 4, partner B has to draw quick 10s and quick 1s that represents partner A's number. So Miss Whitten drew her partner's 4 10s and 5 1s. Now after I drew my quick 10s, I have to figure out what number is my partner's number. So now I have to count by 10s and 1s. So I would do 10, 20, 30, 40. Now let's count on 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I figured out my partner's number. So step number 5, this is where partner B guesses the number. Partner A then shows them their whiteboard. So if the partner gets it right, then they become the number ranger. Now, if your partner doesn't get it right, look at what they did and see if you can help them find their mistake. You want to help each other become number rangers. Now, step number 6, it's partner B's turn to think of a number and become the number ranger, and it's partner A's turn to guess the number. Have fun, and let's all become number rangers.